Today I'm looking at the smartwatch. It comes with a little like flyer to tell you like where to download the apps in different languages. Comes with a charging cable, like uses magnetism. Has like a cool little design to it, kind of like a military style watch. Also comes with like kind of this thing you can use to like kind of like tinker with it if you need to. It's kind of interesting here, like the watch part and the strap are like separated, so you got to put them together. So let's give this a try, shall we? All right, English, obviously. Please download and install the Fit app. The Fit, I like that name. Let's see, menu. Got a cool little like background here. Let's see. It does have that weird graphic design to it, where it's like you can kind of tell this is like a knockoff product. What's this here? BPM. Okay. Heart rate makes sense. So yeah, there's assume it's like a sleep tracker. I don't know if I could sleep with like a watch on, honestly. Like feels like it'd be distracting. What's this? Blood pressure. Yes, I think like measures a good amount of stuff here. Oxygen. What's this? Relaxation. Basically, I guess telling if you're stressed or not. I don't know how reliable this is. I'm not like a expert on that, but it seems pretty easy to navigate. There's a calculator if you really need that. I guess please add the world clock and the app. So I assume it's like a GPS here. Oh yeah. Okay, so like helps you find your phone. That's kind of cool because you can just like pair it with your phone. Honestly, like most phones have like their own like find your phone thing. For example, I got an Android and you can just like log into Google and helps you like find the phone. So yeah, like overall, this is like a pretty nice looking watch. Again, it has that little cheap design to it, but like kind of makes up for it with the kind of like the sleek like titanium look, and the shape and the. I do like how the straps are separated. You can kind of just like put on and like adjust as needed. Actually, let me see like how easy it is to put on the straps real fast. Okay, I will say that like putting on these straps is a little bit of a hassle because like you put like on one side and the other side's like too big to go on the other side. It'll require a bit of like fiddling. Which now that I think about it, why do they do this? Why couldn't it just be like already attached? But yeah, like check this out if you really need a decent fitness watch for cheap. And yeah, like that's the review. See you guys later.